This is a very quick demo on how to use a new function that we just added, which is the ability to write a spreadsheet row per signature. And this goes for any doc, and it could be, high speed. It could be what we call the high speed or asocial mode, which is typically used for simple waivers. It could be any document. Bottom line, you can use it for anything. You can actually use it for even things like e-commerce purchases. You can use it for PDF forms. Really anything that happens. Anytime there's a blue box for what should happen to, then you can write rows to a spreadsheet. Let me show you how to use it. It's quite simple. So what you'll need to do is first you'll need to go into your main Drive page. On the very top left, you click these dinner plates, go to Drive, then go to Add New, and click on Spreadsheet. Once you do, then it's going to ask you what do you want to call it. In my case, we have a promotional waiver, and what we want is each time somebody signs this to write a row to the spreadsheet. And so we want to make it clear that what we're going to have is a spreadsheet for this waiver and then a different spreadsheet for this other waiver. In that case, what you want to do is create a spreadsheet, just name it something appropriate, something like this, and it's just going to come through and be a blank spreadsheet with really nothing in it. Then what you'll do is go to the back end, and in the options you will change this from email to or email to you or something like that. You'll change it to write data as row to spreadsheet, and then you'll select your spreadsheet. Now right now this is showing other things that are not spreadsheets. We're going to get that removed. This is the very first day that this went live, and it was kind of a rush project, but it does work fine. It just shouldn't be showing those other things. It should only be showing spreadsheets. So if you don't have any spreadsheets, then it should say, hey, you don't have any. You need to go create some first. And then once you connect this to that, what's going to happen is every time this gets signed, it's going to make a new row on the spreadsheet. So this will also get dumped. This should just be staying up here. And this, the information, it's got the doc name. So in this case, because I have it tied to one blue box, I'm going to create a separate spreadsheet. But if you wanted to, you could create one spreadsheet for all of the docs, and then it would be able to separate that information out for you. If you have email and phone captured, of course, that would be showing here. In this case, we don't. This is hard-coded. So we're going to change this to dynamic. Like I mentioned, this is kind of a first version of it, but it works fine. And so then at any time, if you wanted to, you could export this spreadsheet as a CSV, which you could typically use in Microsoft Excel or something like that. And all you have to do is just click this download button. You could also do it a couple different ways here. Hope that helps. Thanks.